Hello everyone, this is Prema, and in this channel I'm going to teach about different ways of learning things. Maybe you may be the school children or the college goers, or if you're a professional who wants to learn things. So I'm here to tell you about something about learning. So the first topic I've chosen is about how to learn maths fast. The reason why I chose this topic is I start hearing many children are telling the same thing, like they hate maths, they don't like maths, and it's so difficult and they don't like it. So the math is a wonderful subject, the way you explore, the way you solve the things, that makes you fast, right? And also that makes you an efficient problem solver. So if you're very good at maths, I'm sure you'll be a good problem solver in later stages of your life. So as children, in order to make your brain function, efficiently, maths also helps you that. When we talk about math, why do we need to learn math? It's about calculations, the numbers, and everything revolves around this, right? So when you learn about science, you can't, have the science without maths, right? And when you learn the history, you need to know the numbers, right? The history comes with the dates, which is also representation of your maths. So maths is everywhere, guys. The sun that rise, the sunset time, the heartbeat, the number of heartbeats, the count, everything is about your calculations. So maths is very important to our life as well, and it's very interesting. So here I'm just listed about some of the points that helped me and also that helped our children to learn maths quickly. So I hope this video helps you. So let's get into the topic. Get into the topic. So first thing I have noted down is about engage with the subject. As we know, maths is important. You're dedicating your time for maths. You need to engage with the subject. You need to learn what are they telling about the subject. What is the objective of that subject? So when you dedicate some time for practice, get to know about the subject. What is that? What is the addition is about? What is the subtraction is about? Why do we have fractions? So if you take about instance in fraction, why do you do the fraction? Why the fraction was there first, right? So always start from the basics. If you want to know about fraction, you need to know about addition, multiplication, and subtraction, right? So start from the basics always. No matter I'm talking about the fraction, but no matter what state or what topic you're learning, so you should know the basic. So usually we start with the kids about knowing the basics. What are numbers? What are whole numbers? What are the types of numbers they have? Because when you talk about integers, the numbers, whole numbers, they get confused. So make that clear. Okay, we need to make that clear so that they know the basics. They know what is an addition is, what is an integer is, what are whole numbers. Okay, so they don't, stumble in between when we start the topic. So whenever you learn something, have a goal and objective in your mind, what are you going to learn? So you're going to spend about 30 minutes. In that 30 minutes, what are you going to learn? So every topic or every textbook that you have, it will have an objective. What are you going to learn in this module or in this lesson? So always have a goal in your mind, what you're going to do and what you're going to learn, by end of the time that you spend. Answering a practice question is also crucial because when you practice question papers makes you think, right? Though you learned about all the concepts, how to do it, always the question paper answering will make you, start answering. And if you have any difficulties, you can just note down and go back and, you know, beat around with those topics. All right, and the fifth thing is about keep track of math vocabulary. That's very important because, for instance, when we talk about fraction, what is a numerator? what is a denominator, what is an improper fraction, and what is a proper fraction. Know about the vocabulary, so that's also is important. And the next one is about tricks and tips to learn maths easily. Once you start practicing, this would come automatically to find out the easiest ways to solve your maths. All right. And when you are solving your maths problems and you are a great problem solver, you'll think, your brain is going to think on the solutions. How do you get it? So you have the basics. It's like, you have all the ingredients and this is the solution that you need to have. How do you solve that? Okay. So that's what you're going to do with every topic or every problem that you're going to solve. So that's about some of the topics. If you follow these steps in your maths learning, I am sure that it'll be easier and you can learn any of the topic faster as well. This applies to anyone who wants to in any other stages that they want to learn maths quickly. And also if you want to introduce this to your kids and have these steps followed up, and that will help you. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to post many topics regarding learning on the concepts or learning about various concepts. So keep watching. Thank you.